Something you want to say to the camera before I start with my bullshit about the drums and the whole thing? Something you want to say to the camera?
I was going to say you need to practice a little bit more, but we're already here, so do the best you can.
All right. If I suck.
I know. You do what you can, but
okay.
You're not the best.
I got you. I'm going to start with the tour. Hello everybody, my name is The Sucker. I'm not Jose Rales, the drummer, I'm The Sucker. What I got in here for you guys is something new. It's actually the same drum set that I'm using, but I kind of expanded today for you guys. So I'm going to show you, I got a 60 inches floor tone that I stole from Mike, our singer, fearless singer and guitar player, leader, Urrell, alias AKA Charlie Brown. This is a Tama 16 by 18, I believe it is, or 20, I'm not sure. But it sounds amazing, man. There you go. And that's mine. This is my regular mounted 14 inches. It doesn't have a leg. This one does. And it's mounted off of my China, beautiful Wuhan China, that I'm beating the shit out of. It's kind of bent already. So, we're going to continue around here. I got my rider, my two toms, my beautiful cowbell that is rusty as fuck. This cowbell actually has been with me since like my first beginning here in Austin, since I landed from Lima, Peru. This is the first cowbell that I bought, and I sort of got that I was going to keep it through all my journey, and it's been with me since then. So you can see it's all rusted up and shit, but I still keep it, you know, because it sounds amazing. I got a single pedal PDP because I think the double is for pussies, but anyway, I can do whatever people can do on a double, I can do on a single. Yes, sir. My graffiti is kind of fucked up. You know, it was done for our last gig, but actually I beat the fuck out of my snare, so as you can see, it's all gone. And I also stole from our fearless leader his snare, which is a Tama 14 inches that I'm going to use tonight as a timbale, and I'm going to beat the fuck out of it. I'm also using his bongo. So it's a pretty extensive kit. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 drums, man. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 cymbals. I'm telling them it's all about the look. And you know, I just put a serious face, and people think that they know what I'm doing, you know. But you're supposed to have more cymbals than drums, man. Got this guy. We're gonna make a little concert for you guys. What's about
Hey, where's your your cowbell? Give me some cowbell. Hey, turn it off.
We're gonna turn it off, man, because we gotta go in and do something. Shit.